Jai Hind, I am Madhup Agrawal, Assistant Professor in AKGC IT Department. Our today's topic is tree traversal technique. So, tree traversal technique. First, we know what is tree. As we know, tree data structure is a hierarchical structure that is used to represent and organize data in a way that is easy to navigate and search. So, before the tree, we have already studied the array. We have already studied array and linked list. So, array and linked list are both kept the data in linear fashion. Means if it is array, we can access data in linear fashion. If it is a linked list, we access the data in linear fashion. Access first node, then another node, then this one. But the tree is the hierarchical structure. Hierarchical structure means in the tree we have this form of arrangement. This form of arrangement, one node is connected to another node, another two node, means we have the choice here, either go here or go here. So, how to decide if we traverse first node here, then how to decide come here or here. So, first it is a collection of nodes that are connected by the edge and hierarchical relationship between the nodes. These are hierarchical relationship, and the topmost node of the tree is called root. This node is called root. This is the root, and the nodes below it is called the child node. These are the child nodes. Okay. So, binary tree. What is binary tree? Binary tree is defined as the tree data structure. Each node has at most two children. Means in the tree, as in this case, this is a binary tree because a node contains at most two children. There are two children, but in the general tree there are no restriction of the number of child. It may be 2, 3, 4 and many more, but in the binary tree at most two children, at most two children. And since each node in the binary tree have only two children, typically named as this is left child and right child. If this is a tree, binary tree, then left child and right child. Okay. As in this picture, this one, this is the root node and this is left child of this root node and this is the left child. Okay. Or we can say this is the left subtree. This tree have root node, this one, and two subtrees, left subtree, this is left subtree and this is a right subtree. This is a right subtree. Okay. So, the step to perform the pre-order traversal. There are three types of traversal here. First is pre-order traversal, pre-order traversal, in-order traversal and post-order traversal. There are three types of traversal. So, first we will look the pre-order traversal. So, what are the steps? The steps to perform the pre-order traversal. First, visit the root node. Pre-order. Pre-order means first root node will be traversed, then visit the left subtree and then visit the right subtree. As in the case, just as in the case here, this 40, this subtree have 40, then 30, then 50. So, first visit the root node. So, first we visit the 40, then visit the left subtree. In the left subtree there is only one node, that is 30. So, then visit the 30, and then right subtree, visit the right subtree means the visit the 50, only one node here. So, what will be the sequence here? This will be the 40, 30 and 50. So, sequence is 40, 30 and 50. In this manner we will visit using the pre-order traversal. So, now in the case of in-order traversal, same subtree, but in the case of in-order traversal we will visit the left, then root, means in order. Root will come in between, the left and right. So, first visit the root left subtree. For the same example, our tree is this here 40, 30 and 50. So, first visit the left subtree by using in-order traversal. In the left portion we have the subtree having only one node, that is 30. So, visit this. So, our sequence will be 30. Then visit the root node, means what is the root node? Root node is 40. Then visit the root node and then visit the left subtree, and this left subtree contains only one node, that is 50. So, visit the 50. So, our sequence will be the 30, 40 and 50 by using in-order traversal. Okay. In the next traversal technique, that is post-order traversal. Post-order means our root will go at the last, will be considered as a last traversing. So, first visit the left, then right subtree and then at last visit the root node. So, for the same example, this is example is 40, then 30, then 50. So, first visit the left subtree. In the left subtree only one node is here. So, visit the 30, then visit the right subtree. In the right subtree, for this one there is only one node. So, visit this particular node, that is 50, and then visit the root node is 40, then visit the 40. So, visit each node exactly one time by using post order traversal, post order 30, 50 and 40 sequence. Okay. So, these are three different traversing technique, tree traversing technique which are used: pre-order, post order and in-order traversing technique. Okay, let us take an example. So, now traverse the given BST. This is BST, binary search tree. This is this is a special kind of tree in which the if this is 40, then left subtree contains the keys lesser than this particular node, parent node, and the right subtree contains more values than this particular root node or this particular parent node, as we will see here. So, this type of arrangement is considered in the BST. So, traverse the given BST using the pre-order, in-order and post-order tree traversal technique. Let us see how to traverse this tree. So, first by using pre-order traversal we will consider. So, in the case of pre-order traversal, in the case of pre-order, let us in the case of pre-order, as we know, in the case of pre-order, what will be the technique? Sequence, traversing sequence. Pre-order means first visit the root, then visit the left subtree, then visit the right subtree. This is the pre-order. So, first visit the root node. What is the root node? in this case we will start from here, root node is 40. So, first visit the 40, then left, visit the left subtree. What is the left subtree? This is the left subtree for this one. This is also a tree, subtree means this is also a tree. So, we will follow the same scenario here again. This is not a single node, this is a tree. So, first visit the root node for this particular subtree. What is the root node here? Again this is 30. So, visit the 30, then go to the left part, This is a recursive definition, left part. In the left part we will again find a subtree having 3 nodes arranged in tree fashion. So, again we will apply same rule here. This is root left and right. So, visit the root node for this particular subtree, that is 25. So, visit the 25, again go into the left portion. In the left portion of this particular subtree we will find a tree having only one node. So, visit this particular root node. So, visit the root node, that is 15, and again this particular rule will follow, root left and right. In the left portion no subtree here, in the right portion no subtree here. So, left subtree will not be visited, right subtree will not be visited. Okay. Then come back means this node visited, this node is already visited. So, in this particular subtree we have already visited the root left. Now, visit the right subtree. Right subtree contain only one node, that is 28. So, visit the 28. There is no left subtree, there is no right subtree. Then come one level up. We have visited all the nodes of this subtree, and so come here one level above. We have visited this root node, we have visited this left subtree. Now, visit the right portion, right subtree. In the right subtree only one node is here, that is 35. So, apply the same rule, root left and right. So, now we hit the 35. Okay. All the nodes are considered here in the left portion. We have already visited root and left subtree of the original tree. Now, come in the right portion. We have visited root left. Now, visit the right portion of this particular tree. This is a right portion of the original tree. This is also a tree. This right subtree is also a tree. So, apply the same rule here, root left and right. So, root for this subtree is 50. So, visit this 50 right here. Okay. We have visited this node, already visited. Now, come to the left subtree. In the left portion we have only one node. So, visit this is 45 visited, no left subtree, no right subtree. Come here in the left portion. Okay. We have visited root left, now visit the right. In the right subtree we will find a tree which having 3 nodes 60, 55 and 70. So, apply the same rule here, root left and right. In the root portion here there is 60. So, visit the 60 and then go to the left part. In the left subtree we will find a single node, that is 55. So, visit the 55. no left portion, no right portion, we have visited this one. Come into the left portion, right portion. In the right portion we have only one node, so visit the root node, that is 70. Now there is no subtree left and there is no subtree in the right, so we have now visited all the nodes exactly once. So what is the sequence by using pre-order traversal? The sequence is first visit 40, then 30, then 25, then 15, then 28 here, then 35 here, then 50, then 45, then 60, then 55 and then 70. So this is our pre-order traversal sequence. Now next is in order traversal sequence. For the same tree, in order traversal, as we know, in the in order traversal, what is the sequence? The sequence is in order means root come in between, and here left, then right. Okay, means first go into the left portion, then visit the root, then visit the right portion. So first start from root node. Now apply the rule, left, come into the left, in the left portion we will get a subtree. Now apply the same here also, go into the left, left means this portion, in the left we will find a again tree, again apply the same rule, left root and right, in the left portion of this subtree. Okay, here only one node, so visit this particular node, now visit it as 15. In this subtree apply the, we have already visited left portion, so now visit the root. What is the root for this particular subtree? That is 25, so visit the 25. Okay, come into the right portion, in the right portion for this subtree there is only one node, that is 28, so visit the 28. We will cover all the nodes for this particular subtree. So one level up means in this subtree we have covered the left subtree, so come to the root node. So what is the root node for this subtree? That is 30, so visit the 30. We have covered left and root for this subtree, come into the right portion, in the right portion only one node is here, that is 35, so visit the 35. We have covered all the nodes in the left portion of the original tree, so visit the root node for this particular original subtree, that is 40, so visit the 40. Okay, now apply the right portion, same rule apply in the right portion, come into the right subtree, in the right subtree we will find the tree having 5 nodes. Now apply the same rule here, left, root and right. Now in the left portion for this subtree, this is the 45, only one node is here, so write 45, visit this particular node, and in this subtree root already visited left portion, then root portion visit the root, that is 50, so write the 50 here. Come to the right portion of this subtree, that is in the right subtree we will find a subtree, we will find a tree. So apply the same rule, left, root and right, come into the left portion, in the left portion only one node is here, that is 55, so visit the 55, and then visit root, we visited the left portion, of this subtree. So visit the root, that is 60, visit the 60, and then come to the right portion. In the right subtree only one node is here, so visit this, that is 70. We have visited all the nodes of this tree, So our in order traversal sequence is this one, that is 50 extreme left. In this we will visit extreme left first, that is 50, then 25, then 28, then 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 and 70. This was a BST tree. So just see here a property in the BST. If we apply the in order, then we will get the sequence in which manner? In the sorted manner. Just see here 15, then 25, then 28, 30, then 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 and 70, means in the sorted order. So this is a property. If we visit a BST in order, then we will find a increasing order sorted sequence. So there is no need to sorting. If we kept our data in BST form and visit the in order, then we will find the sorted data. Okay. Now next, what is the next? Now post order traversal. So for the post order traversal, what will be the sequence for the post order traversal? In the post means root come at the last, and first, left and right. Okay, in this fashion, first visit the left subtree, then right subtree, and then visit the root node. Okay, so apply here this rule. First visit the left. Okay, so in the left we get a subtree, we get a subtree here. What happened? 1 minute. Okay, no problem. Just see here. In the left we get a subtree here, that is 30, 25, 35, 50, 28. Now apply the same rule in the left portion, left, right, and come into the left portion. In the left portion we will get a tree, that is 25, 50 and 28 already, and apply the same rule here, means first left portion, that is 15. So 15 will be visited. Okay, now 15 is visited. Now right portion, for this subtree, what is the right portion? Right portion is single node, that is 28. So after visiting 15, visit the 28. Now visit the 28. Now in the, then visit the root for this subtree is 25. So 15, now the sequence is 15, 28 and 25. Okay, this subtree completes, then right portion of this bigger subtree, that is 30 tree which have 30 as a root node. So left portion, now left portion covered. Now come into the right portion, not visit. Now the root will be visited at the last. So visit the 35 here. So 35 is state, then visit the root node, that is 30. Okay, left portion completes for this original tree. Now come into the right portion. In the right portion we get another tree that having the root node as 50. So come into the left portion for this particular tree, that is 45. Now visit the 45 and come into the right portion for this particular tree. In the right portion we will get the this subtree having the root as a 60. So visit the left portion of this tree, that is 55, visit the 55, come into the right portion. In the right portion we will get a single node, that is 70. So visit the 70. Now for this subtree having which having the 60 as a root node, now visit the root, means 55, then 70, then 60. Now we have already visited the 45, then cover this right portion. Now visit the 50. Now visit the 50. We have covered the left subtree of the original tree and right subtree of the original tree. Now visit the 40 as a, because this is root. The root will be visited at the last. So our sequence will be as 15, 28, then 25, then 35, then 30, then here 45, then here 55, then 70, then 60 and 50, and at the last the 40. So this is the post order traversal sequence. So as we see, if we consider, I think it is clear. So and we can also construct in the reverse order if we have given some in order traversal, pre-order and post order, then we can construct the tree by using this traversal sequence also. This will be considered in the another lecture. We can consider another example. Okay, there are just let's here 35, 30 here, then here 20, then 15, here 18, here 40, 45, 42. Okay, if we have this tree and we want to traverse the in order. So in the in order we will first visit the extreme left, first visit the left, come into the left, then again left, this is 15, then the root, this is 20, then in the left portion that is 18, in the we are visiting in the in order. So in the in order left portion covered, then root node, that is then in this portion left portion is 42 and then 40 and then 45 in the in order. Just see the sorted sequence is in the increasing order. Okay, if we same tree by using pre-order, so in the pre-order first we do the root is 30, then left portion, then again visit the root 20, then left portion, this is 15, then right portion, this is 18. Okay, now right subtree visit the root node, that is 40, then left 42, then right, this is 45. Okay, now post order, in the post order visit the root node at the last, first visit the left, then again left, this is 15, then right, that is 18, then root for this one, that is 20, then left portion right portion, that is 40, again apply the same, this is post, so visit the 42 left portion, then right portion, that is 45, then this one 40 and at the last this 30. These are the different sequences. Okay. Okay, in the next lecture we will see in the reverse fashion, if we have given the sequences then construct the tree. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot.